Teacher, I have a question.
What do you want?
Yes. Are you fucking high?
You talk like that, you gonna lose your star.
Fuck you, teacher.
That's it. You lose your star.
I don't give a shit.
Why? 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 Hey, Daddy, I smacked these homes. I stuck my pee-pee in some Cheerios. I got a pencil in my nose and I beat my diaper everywhere I go. Like a hop like a bunny. Poop my pants and now it's running. I go, ooh, ooh. You think that's funny? I stuff my diaper with all my money.
Jeffy?
Why? Why?
Jeffy, don't do that.
Why? Why?
Jeffy, eat your green beans.
Why? Why?
Jeffy, don't poop your pants.
Why? Why? Cut piano solo.
Oh, Jeffy, stop it!
Why? Got a helmet on top of my head. Spanked my pee-pee until it was red. Eat green beans, I'd rather be dead. It's 10 o'clock and I'm ready for bed. Hey, Daddy. I just showed you how to poop on the track. So I'm going to bed. I got my carrots on, got my bunny suit on. I'm ready for bed.
Daddy, come quick, I actually pooped in the bathroom.
What, you pooped in the bathroom, Jeffy?
Yeah, Daddy, I went in the bathroom and I pooped like a big boy.
Well, you pooped in the bathroom?
Yeah, all by myself.
Oh, come on, Jeffy, let's go.
Okay.
Let me see, Jeffy, let me see. What? Jeffy, the toilet's empty. Did you flush?
No, Daddy, I pooped in the bathroom. I just forgot to pull my pants down.
What? You forgot to pull your pants down?
Yeah, but I came in the bathroom to poop, but I just didn't pull my pants down.
So you pooped your pants in the bathroom?
Yep, in the bathroom.
Jeffy, why couldn't you just pull your pants down and poop in the toilet like a big boy?
Daddy, I forgot.
How do you forget to pull your pants down? That's the first thing you do before you poop.
I just do, Daddy. Sometimes I forget. But do I get a prize? I made it to the bathroom.
You did make it to the bathroom. I understand that you thought it was a good idea, but I guess you do get a prize.
I get a prize? What's my prize, Daddy?
I don't know, I don't know.
Dun 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 dun! Pooperman's here to save the day! Daddy, I pooped. What doing? Oh, hey, Mr. Police Officer, man, what doing? Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Hands up, don't shoot. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I'm done. Stupid Xbox. Scary ostriches!
Jeffy, stop it!
Why?
Because it's really loud!
You think that's loud, Daddy?
Yes, it's loud, Jeffy! Stop it, Jeffy!
You hit Jeffy in the head with his trumpet!
Yes, I did, Jeffy, because you're being really loud and you need a punishment!
You're mean, Daddy!
What, Jeffy, how about we play the quiet game? The quiet game! The quiet game! The quiet game, Jeffy! You play the quiet game. What's that, Daddy? It's the best game ever invented. What it is, if you can be quiet for the entire day, I'll give you $10.
$10 and Jeffy just has to be quiet?
Yeah, if you be quiet for the whole day and you don't make any noise.
I can do that, Daddy.
No, Jeffy.
That's hard.
But you get $10. You like money?
Promise? Shake on it. Shake on if you're gonna give me $10.
I'll give you $10 if you're quiet for the entire day.
Shake on it, Daddy.
Will you be quiet for the entire day?
Yep.
All right, Jeffy, I'll give you $10 if you're quiet for the entire day.
All right, Daddy.
Oh, okay, Jeffy. How about a one-time free pass to make any noise No. A one-time free pass to say any sentence.
I poop, Daddy.
No, stop it. A one-time free pass to say where my hat is.
Where my hat is.
Jimmy, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
He just really wants to win that $1,000.
Oh, he does? Well, guess what? I never had $1,000. He was never gonna get $1,000.
Hold the fuck up, Daddy.
What?
You're telling me I was never gonna get $1,000?
No, I just wanted you to.
So you're telling me I was sitting here for 5 whole minutes. I'm over here about to explode because I haven't gone in 5 minutes, and I wasn't getting $1,000? You expected me to be quiet for a fucking week?
Yeah, Jeffy, because I.
For $1,000, Daddy, and I wasn't even gonna get it? So what was your excuse gonna be when I was quiet all fucking week?
I was just gonna say that I didn't have it.
Fuck you, Daddy. You're gonna fucking find me $1,000 because I was fucking quiet.
Well, not for a week, Jeffy.
Fuck you, Daddy. You made me talk, and you over here admitted that you don't even have $1,000. So why the fuck am I gonna be quiet for a fucking week just to get my hopes up for $1,000 and you crush it? You're the fucking Easter Bunny and the Tooth Fairy, Daddy.
Well, Jeffy,
fuck you.
Hey there, kids. Do you want to hop like a bunny? Well, good, because we're about to hop till you drop, so don't you stop. Okay, here we go. Oh, hop, hop, hop like a bunny doing. Hop, hop, hop like they always do. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny doing. Hop, hoppity hop. Oh, hop, hop, hop like a bunny doing.
Jimmy, turn it off!
Hop, hop, hop.
Jimmy, turn it off!
Mario, it's cute.
No, it's annoying! Jimmy, turn it off!
Hop, hoppity hop.
Jimmy! Turn it off!
Mario, why would you do that?
Oh, where'd my hop go?
I turned it off. It's annoying.
Why are you doing it?
Because it's
Mario,
stupid.
turn it back on.
It's annoying, baby.
It's cute.
Mommy, give my hop back.
Mario, please turn it back on.
No.
Mario.
Fine.
I want my hop.
Oh, hop, hop, hop like a bunny doing. Hop, hop, hop like they always
This is stupid, guys. This is really stupid.
Hop, hop like
How do you like this?
doing.
It just keeps saying the same thing over and over again.
Oh, hop, hop, hop like
I have to do a puzzle and listen to that.
Hop, hop, hop like they always do. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny doing.
Why did my hop stop?
Well, thank God it went off.
It's okay, Jeffy. The show just went off.
But I still want to listen to hop some more.
See this? You got to read the number, okay? Just read the number.
Train I-1.
No, Jeffy. That's not an I. That's a 1. That's one train. That's the number 1, and that's the word 1.
Train 1-1.
I mean, yeah. You don't have to say it like that. You can just say 1, okay? So next one.
Truck 2-2.
I mean, yeah, but I mean, you don't have to say the object. You can just say the number.
Duck 3 goose.
You got 3. Next one. I mean, you're at least learning it.
Flog 4-4.
Wow, Mario, he's doing really well at this.
I mean, he's actually getting it. I mean, I think the way he's learning it, he's definitely gonna get it really quick. Okay?
Yeah, he's getting the hang of it.
All right, Jeffy. Next one.
5-5.
Put your piano away, Jeffy. Put it away. Yeah, I mean, you got it right, but just no more piano. Okay.
Here's the next one.
Flower 6-6.
Yeah, I mean, that's good.
Balloon 7-7.
Yep, that's good.
Marker 8.
You don't have to say the object. You don't have to count it, Jeffy. Just say the number.
Okay, here's this one.
Jesus Christ.
Cupcake 9-9.
Oh my God, number 10. I mean, but that's
Almost there.
We're done after this.
Bulldozer 10-10.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
I think he can keep going, Mario.
No, it gets me.
Another one.
Let's try it.
Turtle. Strawberry. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. 50-50.
Well, oh, this one's gonna be good. Okay. All right, Jeffy. What's 8 minus 4?
8.
Well, no. How'd you get that?
Because you have 8 up there, and you take away the 4, so it's not there anymore, and you 8's left. You know, it's 8.
Oh, I see the confusion. Oh, okay. Yeah, Jeffy. Yes. Yes. If you take 8 and you take away the 4, I understand that you're seeing 8. But no, the answer is 4. So look, if you take 8 minus 4 is 4.
Where the f did you get that from? Because the 4 is taken away, so it's 8. It's not like you just have another 4 sitting around somewhere. Yeah, do it.
Jeffy, we actually do have another 2 sitting around because it takes 2 4s to make an 8.
No, that's a baby 4. If you have 2 4s and they love each other, they make a baby 4. But this one is gone away. It's taken away off the thing. So it's, look, I'm going to cover it up. It's 8. So it's gone.
He has a point, Mario.
I see that. I understand that he has a point. Look, Jeffy.
Look, it's gone. It's an 8.
Yeah, it's 8 minus 4 is 4.
No, it's not. Where the f did it go? Where it can come back that fast?
Look, I'll show you. Look. 8 minus 4 is 4 because it takes 2 4s to make an 8. But look, you take away the 4, it's 4.
F this helmet. F this pencil. And f this diaper. I want to f***ing know where that 4 went to come back that f***ing fast to be making another 8. It's 8 minus 4. You take the 4 away, it's f***ing 8. I don't care what you say. F*** Eisenhower and f*** all these other people. It's f***ing 8. Take the 4 away from it.
All right.
Take the 4 off the f***ing card. Put an 8 down here in the space. It's an 8.
All right, Jeffy, fine. It's 8. We can all agree on this one that it's 8, okay? Everyone's wrong. I mean, scientists are wrong. It is 8. Fine.